Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art is all about little mini beasts that live in our garden. I thought it would be nice to draw them a bug hotel so you can learn how to build one and they'll have a place to stay. So let's shrink ourselves down and make a start. First we'll start by drawing the base of our hotel. We're using a house brick. Insects like these because they're quite damp underneath. They also have these holes in that they can stay in, almost like a bedroom. Now let's put the owner of the hotel, a little ladybird. Put the eyes in. And a smile. And the spots. And apparently there are over 5,000 different species of ladybird. And they can be yellow, orange, brown, pink and even all black. And some ladybirds don't even have spots, they have stripes. So keep an eye out for some of those. Alright, we've got the foundations of our hotel in. Let's build the next layer using some bark. And when you're building a bug hotel, it's worth doing some research online as to the best stuff to use. But really it's just things you might find round your home and outside in the garden. I'm doing some more bricks here side on to give us an extra floor and to create a space in the middle that we're going to fill. Some more bark on top there. There's a ceiling. Okay, let's divide the rooms. Fill one with dried bamboo. You can also use just dried plant stalks and leaves. When you're doing your drawing, you can choose to fill yours with whatever you please. It could be pine cones, flowers, dried flowers, whatever you might find in the garden, really. This one, I'm going to put some sticks. It just creates a lot of little shady nooks and crannies for the insects and the bugs they really like. Some just behind here, and it gives a sense of depth. So we've got a number of floors of our hotel ready, but we need a sign, I think. Let's use an old bit of wood. We've bashed around the edges here and putting some little dents in it. Bug hotel on here. Now if I'm going a bit fast, remember you can always pause, catch up and then hit play. And when I'm doing bubble writing I can do this reasonably fast, but if you find it a bit tricky it might be easier just to pencil in the word first and then expand around it. The L on the end there. Okay, need a roof, otherwise this bug hotel is going to be a bit leaky. So we'll use some old roof tiles. Put some holes for other little insects to come into. Some detail on these bricks make them feel a bit rough. Okay, so it looks as though our hotel's ready for business. So who's going to be our first guest? Let's go over here and draw woodlouse. Put the eyes in. And then that bumpy exoskeleton. Apparently they're related to crabs and shrimps, and you can kind of see that in the shell they have. Put some antennae on. And a suitcase. I'm not sure I'd want to stay in the same room as a woodlouse. Apparently they make a really bad smell because they secrete ammonia from their backs. So he might be staying in a room on his own. And over this side, someone a bit longer. Centipede. And their name originates from Latin and it means 100 legs, but usually they only have 15 to 30 pairs of legs. And apparently they've been on the Earth for 430 million years. And in some places they can reach a length of up to 11 centimetres. Let's put the legs in. I'll put a long suitcase on this guy to keep all his shoes in. Go. Now, who's this popping up out of the ground? It's a worm. They tend to have this kind of thicker section. Now, my son was telling me an amazing fact about worms, and apparently the longest ever earthworm was found in South Africa and is a ginormous 6.7 metres. Imagine digging that up. He's looking really surprised at how this new hotel has popped up in town. Suitcase on his head with a few stickers of the other gardens he might have visited. Put some grass in here. Okay, up in the sky we have a bee. Now this isn't a bumble or a honeybee. Just put the eyes in and smile. This is what's known as a solitary bee. So they don't live in a hive. They live on their own. And this one's come to check out the hotel. Might be a perfect home. Stuck on the roof. It's a snail. We do a swirl. Two eyes attached to stalks. A spider here. with 8 eyes. Most of those don't work particularly well. Hanging down by some spider's thread. We'll put in a suitcase as well. Imagine the snail doesn't need a suitcase, he can keep all his bits in his shell. Okay, now let's make this hotel look really smart. Roll out the green carpet for our guests. Put some new leaves down here. Okay. We just need some decoration as well. Make this the smartest hotel in town. Put some flowers either side. On the side. The stalk and then the petals. Grass at the bottom there. And there we have it. There is our bug hotel. Do hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, do remember to subscribe to Add Art. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded a new picture to draw. And if you've enjoyed drawing this, please do give me a thumbs up like. It really helps my channel grow, which means more children will get to see it. And finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, then please do share Add Art with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to see you again on Add Art. Bye for now, and keep drawing.